Hi, welcome. We're gonna start kicking and punching and get our bodies moving. All right, so let's bring our hands up, blocking your face, covering it up, making sure nobody hits you. We're just gonna lean from side to side. Make sure you breathe. We're just moving side to side. Keep your hands up. Okay, what we're gonna do next is twist from side to side. So we're gonna twist and twist. Twist, come back to the middle, twist, back to the middle. And breathe. Twist and twist. Twist and twist. One more. And right to the front, and let's do some forward punches. Just punching forward, make sure you breathe. And we're gonna take these punches out to the side. Ready? And out to the side. And breathe. And punch. And punch. And breathe. One more in each side. Good. Let's come right here to uppercuts now. Now we're going to change those uppercuts like we're pulling them towards us. Like you're pulling a rope towards you. Uppercut punches, bringing it back towards us. And breathe. Keep rolling those punches towards you. Now we're gonna punch upwards. We're gonna punch up and up, up and up. And breathe. And now let's bring those punches down and down, punching down towards the ground. And breathe. We're gonna come back up to the middle, and then we're gonna go into hooks. So we're gonna come around the side. And breathe. Coming around from side to side. And we're gonna bring our hands back in. We're gonna lean from side to side again. And now what we're gonna do is duck under. Imagine there's a line right here in front of you, and you're gonna duck under that line, back up, and under that line, and back up. Ducking under and under. And breathe. Okay, now as we come up, imagine that same line, you're gonna punch over that line. You're gonna duck under it and punch over it. Under and punch over. breathe, ducking under the line, punching over it. Under and over. Duck under the line and punch over it. Let's do one more. Good, now we're going into speed bag. So we're hitting the speed bag. We're gonna have multiple speed bags, so we're gonna go to the side, to the other side, to the other side. And back over to the other side. And to the front. And we're gonna bring our hands down and we're gonna start kicking. So hands down, rested. And we're gonna kick across from one side to the other side. Kicking from side to side. And breathe. Side to side. Now we're going to come to the middle and kick straight forward. One more. Good. All right, hand and foot, the opposite. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Punching with one and kicking with the other. And breathe. Next, we're gonna kick and punch in opposite directions, so we're adding a little bit of a twist to it. So we're twist and twist. And breathe. Twist and twist with the punch and the kick. And breathe. One more. Good. All right, we're gonna do an outside crescent kick. So you're gonna loop the foot around and then around. So you're kicking up and back down. Coming to the inside, out, and down. Inside, out, and down. And breathe. One more. Other side. From the inside, out, and down. Going in to out and back down. And breathe. One more. Good. Now we're going from the outside to the inside. Inside crescent kick. like you're making a circle with your leg. From the outside to the inside and back down. And breathe. One more. And switch to the other sit leg from the outside to the inside and back down. And breathe. From the outside to the inside. One more, and good. All right, holding onto our chair, we're gonna lean a little to one side and kick. Gently go to the other side and kick. So you're holding your chair, you're using it to help you turn from one side to the other. And breathe. One more. Good. All right, let's march. Good. And as we're marching, let's stretch the fingers apart and close them. Stretch them apart and close. Stretch the fingers and close. One more time and close. All right. Bring our arms down, sitting up nice and tall. We're gonna do some 3 deep breaths. We're gonna inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. All right, thank you everybody. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.